The Pentek RFC-20BB Carbon Filter is designed to significantly improve your home's water quality by reducing chlorine taste, odor, and sediment. Utilizing advanced radial flow technology, this filter minimizes pressure drop and carbon fines, ensuring efficient filtration without compromising water pressure. With an impressive 100,000-gallon capacity, the Pentek RFC-20BB promises long-lasting performance for up to 1 year before requiring replacement. The filter's compatibility with standard 20-inch Big Blue housings makes installation and maintenance straightforward, fitting most 20-inch by 4.5-inch carbon cartridges. Constructed with a 70-micron porous polyethylene outer shell and durable polypropylene core, this filter is built to handle the demands of whole-house filtration. NSF ANSI Standard Forty-Two certification guarantees the filter's material safety and structural integrity, providing peace of mind and reliable performance.